Proficiency in English, it offers a lot of jobs. When you will be expert in English, you will find a lot of job with potential salary. Assalamualaikum everyone, good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Today I would love to talk importance of learning English. Actually, learning English offers a lot of benefits that can be significantly enhance personal and professional life. You know, English is an international language. Without English, you cannot communicate proper way with foreigners. So here are a lot of jobs like a mobile company, bank, and commercial jobs where is English very essential. I will mention some important topics. Number one is enhanced career opportunities. Proficiency in English, it offers a lot of jobs. When you will be expert in English, you will find a lot of job with potential salary. You know, English is an international language. Every day we need to use English. Like you are a graduated person, you don't know how to communicate with people and how to manage people, like using language. So without language, English language, you cannot communicate with them. And then communication skill. So learning English offers you a lot of skill. It's better for, will be for you.